first you want to put a road on 10 meters. You also want to make sure that bypass validation results is on in the DevTools. Then we're going to raise the land and try to get it as close as we can to 10 meters. So we want to make a 10 meter. That's pretty close. Okay, so this will be the default land at 10 meters. And we're going to make a lot over here just so that way we don't have to keep doing this part. Take the 10 meter land and make it basically where you want it to be, but not too close to the road. Then take a 4 meter road and place it wherever you want, or whatever road you want. Make sure that this is even up here, should be. Overground station. Then we're going to make this into an 8 meter road. I'm just doing this to make it easier to make it into the sidewalls. So half of it will be on the 10 meter and the other half will be on the 0 meter. Place it. And then you're going to want to take a 2-lane road, or an alleyway if you prefer. -10 over here, 0 meters over here. It's going to look bad for a second, but it'll look better. And again, on this side. Again, you can use alleyways or 2-lane roads or 4-lane roads, whatever you want, but I prefer this way. Then we're going to change this back into a 4 meter. Cool, the sidewalls are still there. We're going to make everything back to 0 meters. Then we're going to connect the roads on this side. And we're going to try to push back the retaining wall so that way it's close to the sidewalk. And on this side as well. Same thing on the other side. Boop. And then we're going to get the tracks. And what you want to do is 10 meters over here, 0 meters right here. And you're going to push it all the way back so the retaining wall gets inside. And the train station is cool with that. There we go. And that's how you make a over-the-road or elevated train station, elevated subway station in City Skylines 2. Now to get it to be able to zone the roads on the sides of the station, you want to delete every single road on the bottom. Then grab an 8-lane road. Try to get it as close as you can, or you want to replace them. That's not going to work. That works. Then basically take the 8-lane roads and put them on the sides and try to get it to form the retaining walls. Sometimes it works, sometimes you're going to have to start over. Then take these roads and replace them with whichever roads you want. I personally prefer the 4-lane road on the back and the 2-lane roads on the sides, but you may want alleyways or something like that. You can also decide where, if you want the road to go with the tracks or like this. And I would like to try it this way. So, and the thing is, it's going to create a bridge, so it's going to create a gap. So right here, I prefer So, see, it creates a big gap there, which sucks, but realistically, people just need to not jump down there. It will create, or you will need to create a bridge right here though, so let's do that real quickly. The reason why it's showing no water was because the roads weren't connected. It still functions. Let's see if